Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the tax treatment on profit margin scheme. As you all know, profit margin scheme is applicable only in the case of used cars, not for the new cars. The taxability is applicable only for the margin. For example, suppose we buy the used car for 45,000 and we sell it for 50,000, the tax is applicable only for the margin, that is for 5,000 dirhams. And please keep in mind, the profit margin scheme is not mandatory, it is optional for the dealer. Now let us see what are the conditions to be satisfied for applying profit margin scheme. There are 4 conditions to be satisfied. Number 1, the car must have been purchased from a non-taxable person. Or number 2, the car must have been purchased from a dealer who was following the profit margin scheme already. Number 3, where the car was purchased from a VAT registered supplier, then he must not have claimed input tax as per Article 53 of the Executive Regulation. And number 4, car should have been already taxed earlier. These are the 4 main conditions to be satisfied to choose profit margin scheme. In addition to this, the motor dealer who is following the profit margin scheme should maintain proper documents, including the stock of the car purchased and sold under profit margin scheme, the copy of the invoices copy of the invoices he purchased from the dealers. If the person from whom he is buying car is unregistered, then in that case the motor dealer should maintain the purchase documents. In case the purchase document is not available, purchase invoice is not available, he has to prepare a self purchase invoices which shows the details of the motor dealer, even tax registration number, name and address of the seller, and the date of purchase, then the value of purchase, and this kind of documents, a detailed document should be maintained. Not only that, when he is making a sales invoice under profit margin scheme, it should clearly specify that the sale is, in the invoice should be specifically mentioned that the sale is under profit margin scheme. There are certain instances where profit margin scheme cannot be applied. Number 1, if the cars were in stock on 1/1/2018, that means if the used car was purchased prior to implementation of VAT in the UAE, then profit margin scheme cannot be applied. Number 2, in the case of import of cars, if the cars are imported, then in that case, if input tax is already claimed, then profit margin scheme cannot be applied. In short, if a motor dealer is following profit margin scheme, he should maintain a lot of documents. He should check the eligibility of such a transaction, whether it is eligible to follow the profit margin scheme. It is supporting the industry. Profit margin scheme is good for the industry, and the cascading effect of tax is saved there. If any clarification you need with regard to this, please contact us.